We made a very long journey to go to a special event. And now the show begins.
Insurance commercial. And so he told me, yeah, when I was working, he's retired now, but when I was working, I woke up in the morning every day at 7 because I had 1 hour and a half to spend in traffic to go to work. I was like, what? Nobody does that today. Did you? I couldn't believe it. And then he told me that every single day he went to the same office, worked with the same people from 9 to 5. I couldn't believe it. Like, what? It's absurd. How do you develop your business network? How do you get to know new people? How do you get in touch with new ideas, new opportunities? I mean, that's insane. I mean, it's not even logical. And he told me to develop my business relationship, I had to go to trade shows and fairs, and that's the only way I could meet people. What? So much investment, so much. I mean, it's expensive to go to do those trips and do all that. So this doesn't make sense. And he was really surprised. And then he told me that what's even more absurd is that all those people came to the office every day, but there were sick people, there were other commercial guys on the road. He was on the road very often because he was a commercial guy. And so he needed a flexible solution to work on the go. And I said, but Codesk didn't exist back then? He said, no. So, of course, I showed him what we can do today. I mean, nobody works like that anymore, right? I mean, it's absurd. Can you, please? Codesk.com. Very simple site. Okay. He was doing it himself, so it's kind of slow on a computer. And this is what the site looks like. I showed him, look, they already have all these spaces around the world. Those are companies who are sharing their office space online, on the network. And I said, all you have to do is create an account, you sign up, fill in some information about you. So I showed him, of course, with my information. I said, look, we have this fair today. It's in Luxembourg. So I'm going to show you something. Created an account, received an email, of course, to activate my account. Did that. Okay. Click the link. Okay. And then I could sign in, of course. Once you sign in, I said, you go to the dashboard. That's where you can manage everything. You can manage your spaces, you can manage your availabilities, everything. And all you have to do, you go to spaces first, and you register a new space. You register your office space. You say, this is the name. So, this is real. I showed him how to register the space, all the services that are available, and a small description. And the services that are available are something like there's a coffee machine, there's a dry cleaner nearby, all those things that can be interesting to mobile workers. By the way, this is real. You'll be able to book a desk at our booth this afternoon, and for real. And come talk to us. So yeah, you register the space, that's nice. And then of course, once the space is registered, he's in power. So he has full flexibility, full power to define his own availabilities. So he said, yeah, let's say I have 2 desks available. This afternoon, from 1 to 5, I can decide. Okay, so today, from 1 to 5, I have 2 desks available. And to make it easier, because sometimes you actually have a desk that is available like every business day for several weeks. You can do that very simply. Publish your availability, and now it's available online. Which means that if you are a nomad worker, you can. Okay, that's where you come into play. If you are a nomad worker, this is what you can do. You can just sign in. So of course you have to create an account first, because we need to know who you are, what you do, for whom you work, and what your reputation is. This is very important in that context. So you say, this is where I am, how much I'm ready to travel, all the services I need, and you search. And boom, look. A space in Luxembourg, of course. That's the one we just registered. and I can see a book, I can see all the information, all the future availabilities, and I can say I want to book it Tuesday from 1 to 2, for example. And that's it. I book the space, I receive an email that confirms my booking, and that's it. I can just go there, the people there are aware of it, and they can welcome me. So that's really simple. I mean, how could you not have this back in the days? And he said yes. So that's what we do. Codesk, my office is your office. Thanks.